Hello everyone, welcome. I have been interviewing Angular developers for my company in order to test out if the candidates have enough knowledge of Angular and also have hands-on experience of coding Angular. I prepared the following 10 questions. These are the 10 basic Angular 4 questions. In another video, I will give you 10 advanced questions. Hope this video will benefit both the interviewers and the candidates. Question number 1. What is the difference between AngularJS and Angular? This question is fundamental. The interview candidates must know the difference and tell you their previous coding experience are using AngularJS or Angular and which version it is. Their answer should include AngularJS, also called Angular 1, is an early version of Angular. Angular 2 is a complete rewrite of Angular. Angular 2 is a TypeScript-based web platform. Angular 2 is not backward compatible with Angular 1. You can consider AngularJS and Angular 2 are totally different platforms. Their implementations are quite different. Angular 4, now Angular 5, is the most recent stable version of Angular. Question number 2. What is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? This question tests candidates if they understand TypeScript. They need at least to tell you the static type and the class definition of TypeScript. Their answer should include TypeScript is a free and open source programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It is a strict syntactical superset of JavaScript and adds optional static typing to the language. You can define string, number, boolean, or class. The effort to make scripting language, such as JavaScript, to be more like Java or C#, resemble OO and the strong typed programming language. Question number 3. What is property binding in Angular? This is the basic question of Angular. Any Angular developer should know what property binding is. Property binding in Angular means the value defined in components will be displayed on the template, the view. Question number 4. Is property binding a one-way or two-way binding? What are the syntax? Property binding is one way, from component to template. Syntax for property binding include double curly or bracket. There are several ways of property bindings in Angular. The candidate should mention interpolation, which is the double curly. Question number 5. What is event binding in Angular? Another basic question. Event binding in Angular means the user's actions, such as click, keystroke, or mouse move, will be passed from template to component. Question number 6. Is event binding a one-way or two-way binding? What are the syntax? Event binding is one-way binding, from template to component, which is the opposite way of property binding. Syntax for event binding is quote. Question number 7. What the if statement that is used in Angular? The best example is the *ng if is one of the structure derivatives in Angular. Question number 8. What the for loop statement that is used in Angular? The good answer is star ng4. It is also one of structure directives in Angular. Question number 9. Name 3 Angular built-in pipes. In fact, there's more than 10 built-in pipes in Angular, and the candidate, if they can name with date pipe, uppercase pipe, lowercase pipe, percentage pipe, and currency pipes, that's good enough. Question number 10. How to use Angular CLI to create a new project and run that project. The command line should be ng-new with the project name, and then cd to that project folder and type ng-serve to run the project. That's all for today for the 10 basic Angular interview questions. Thanks for watching.